Now let us study something new from the same chapter, arithmetic progression. The sum of first n terms of an AP. किसी भी AP के पहले n टर्म्स, अब n की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, पहले 10 टर्म, पहले 15 टर्म, पहले 25 टर्म्स, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो the heading is to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. The sum of first n terms is always denoted by Sn, sum of n terms, first n terms. Okay. The formula to calculate Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. I have put a star here because this formula is mainly used to solve the examples. But the same formula can be modified to this formula also. Twice a can be written as a plus a, but this first a means the first term, that is t1, and a plus n minus 1 into d is tn. So Sn can also be written as n by 2 into bracket t1 plus tn. What does it mean? Sn can be calculated using the first term and the last term of an AP. Okay, now the derivation of this formula has been given in the textbook. It is a very simple derivation. You can read and come to this conclusion. It is hardly of 3 to 4 lines, and within 4 lines you will get this conclusion. Okay, but the derivation is surely not expected anywhere in the 10th standard syllabus from the students. Therefore, we will directly write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2. Suppose I take first 15 term. So S15, sum of first 15 terms, S15 will be equal to 15 by 2, and then put the values of A, D, and here also 15. Simplify, you will get the total of first 15 terms. So, as I said, you can calculate the sum of first n terms using this formula, but by using the same formula twice, you can calculate the sum of the middle terms of the AP also. For example, if somebody asks me the question, what is the sum of T15 to T20? So what will I calculate? T20, so sum of all 20 terms. Then I'll calculate S14, okay, sum of first 14 terms, and then that means I'll calculate S20. I will also calculate S14. S20 minus S14 will give me the sum of middle 6 term. Which 6 terms? T15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So that is the way you can use this formula to calculate the sum of middle terms of an AP also.